If you switch on the 3D depth effect, you can see that you can tweak the background, but right now we don't have any other objects in here. So to view that more properly, we can go to project window, and if I go to the artwork properties in here, I go to 3D depth option properties. In here we have different compositions. So we have the foreground objects, background objects, and finally the artwork background in here. So to use your custom background, you can go in here and simply place your custom background image in here. And then for the foreground options, these are objects that will appear in front of your artwork. So and you can find those right in here. Of course, you can add your own, but you can find some of them in here. So in folder 04, scene design elements, you can find the first folder, particles for 3D depth option. And like here, we can add things like confetti, for instance, which are quite nice, and place them wherever you like. And these come with a small animation as well, like they move around, etc. And you can place them right over there. And we have some leaves as well, just like that. And we can add them right over there. And now if we go to the minimal style, you can see that those are added over here. Just, of course, if you would like to have that blur, make sure that they are placed right under this layer. So let's go to the minimal style in here. And now in here, if I go to effect controls once again, we can see this difference. So once I remove the depth effect, you have the default flat style, and then if I add the depth effect, you can see those particles in there that we have added. And this will become more visible if I rotate a little bit. So let's zoom in here, go to 3D artwork animation. I'm going to hit R on my keyboard to open up the rotation properties, and if I rotate this, you can see those particles moving around.